Okay, Namaskar. In this class, we can learn about face value, place value, expanded form, short form, comparison of numbers, ascending order and descending order of numbers. About this, we can learn today. So now, what is the face value of any number? Take any number and observe carefully here. 327694. So first you have to read this number name. How can you read this number name? By dividing them into periods in Indian system of numeration. So divide them units period, thousands period, lakhs period. Next, now to write down the face value of any number. Face value of any number is nothing but the face value of any digit is the digit itself. The face value of any digit is the digit itself. That means face value of 3. Here, the face value of 3 is equal to 3 only. Face value of 6 is equal to 6 only. Face value of 9 is equal to 9 only. So this is about face value. Face value means the face value of any digit is the digit itself. So this is a number. This is a number. This number consists 6 digits. This number has 6 digits. So the digit and the number is different. Digit is different from the number. Now this number, a 6-digit number, in this we have 6 digits. The face value of any digit can be read like this. And what can you say about a place value? Now, till now we have learned about the face value. Now see about the place value. P-L-A-C-E value. Place value of any number is nothing but face value of the number of the digit into its place. Its place. So we are dividing any number into periods and places. Now to know the place value of each and every digit of this 6-digit number, now you see here. So face value of, for example, to write down the face value, place value of 3. Place value of 3 is equal to face value. What is the face value of 3? The digit itself. So 3 into its place. It is in which place? So first of all you have to know it is in which period. So 3 is in units, thousands, lakhs period. So lakhs period it is in 1 lakhs place. So place value of 3 is equal to 3 into its place. It is in which place? 1 lakh place. So write down 1 lakh here. 1 lakh. Lakhs, thousands, units. So 3 into 1 lakh gives 3 lakhs. So this is the place value of 3. Now in the same way, place value of 2. Place value of 2. To write down the place value of 2. So 2 into, that means face value of 2 is 2 because the face value is the digit itself. So 2 into its place. 2 is in which place? In thousands period, 10,000s place. It is 2 is in units, thousands period, 1,000, 10,000s place. So 2 into 10,000. So that is equal to 20,000. 2 tens are 20. So 20,000. So while you are writing the periods, you can divide them into period and write down. Then it is easy. Next, place value of 7. Place value of 7 is equal to 7 into face value into its place. 7 is in which place? 7 is in which place? Units period, thousands period. It is in thousands period. In thousands period, which place it is? In thousands period, it is 1,000s place. So 7 into 1,000, that is equal to 7,000 is the place value of 7. Next, place value of 6. 6 into its place. It is in which place? Units period. Ones, tens, hundreds place. So into 100. 6 into 100 gives 600 is the place value of 6. And what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is equal to 9 into, it is in which place? It is in tens place. So 9 into 10 gives 90. Next, place value of 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4 into, it is in which place? 1's place. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So in this way you can find out the place value and face value of any digit. After knowing the place value and face value, you can find out the expanded form. So do you clear about this place value and face value? Once again you can. Face value of any number is the digit itself, and place value of any number is face value into its place. Face value into its place. So what is the face value of 3? So here we have found face value of 3 is 3 into 3 is in 1 lakh's place. So 3 into 1 lakh, 3 lakhs. Place value of 2 into 20,000, 2 into 10,000, 20,000. 7 into 7 is in which place? Thousands place, 1,000's place. So 7 into 1,000, 7,000. Next, so 6 into 6 is in which place? 6 is in which place? Very good, 100's place. So 6 into 100, that is equal to 600. Then where is the next digit? What is the next digit? 9. Good. So 9 is in which place? Good. Period is one's period or units period. But 9 is in which place? Tens place. So period is different from place. Period and place you have to remember carefully. Okay? So 9 into very good. 10. 9 tens are 90. So place value of 9 is equal to 90. Place value of 4 is equal to 4 into it is in which place? One's place. So 4 into 1? 4. So this is the place value of finding the place value of any number. Now how can you find out the expanded form of any number? The expanded form is nothing but for the same number, expanded form. To find out the expanded, for the same number, to find out the expanded form is nothing but sum of the place values of each digit of a given number. What is the given number? 3,27,694. 3,27,694 is the given number. Now, how can you write down the expanded form? Expanded. What is the expanded form definition? Check carefully, everybody. Hello. Okay. So, the expanded form of this number is nothing but sum of the place values of the digits of the given number. Place values of each and every digit of a given number. How many digits we have? 6 digits. So we should write down the place values as a sum. Place values as a sum. So that is called expanded form. So to write down the expanded form is nothing but sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is its expanded form. So now place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. So expanded form, what will be the expanded form? 3 lakhs plus place value of 2 into 10,000, 20,000. So write down 20,000. So 20,000 plus 7 is in thousands place. So 7,000 plus 6 is in hundreds place. 600 plus 90 plus 4. So this is the expanded form of any number. So in this way you can find out expanded form of any number. Now let us see, take another number and write down the expanded form of that number. How can you find out the expanded form of any another number? Now take here 2760354. For example, take this number. Whatever it may be, you can take it in Indian system or international system. Specifically, if he asked in Indian system, you have to write in Indian. Specifically, if he asked in international system, you should write down international system. Otherwise, you can write in any system the expanded form. So now, to write down the expanded form of this number, just observe carefully. First, divide the given number into periods as in Indian system of numeration. Now, units period, thousands period, lakhs period. So the number name is, what is the number name? Observe carefully. Units, thousands, lakhs. How many thousands we have? 27. So 27 lakhs. 60. Next lower the lakhs period. Thousands. 354. Observe carefully. So 27 lakhs, 60,354. Now to write down the expanded form of this number, we should write down the place values of each digit. We should write down the place values of each digit as a sum. ప్రతి ప్లేస్ వాల్యూని కూడా దాని యొక్క సమ్గా రాస్తే మనకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే ఓకే, see now we have to write down the expanded form of this number. To write down the expanded form of this number, we should write down the place values of each digit of a given number. Now, first take out the greatest period. The greatest period here is lakhs period. In lakhs period, we have two places. The place value of 2 is equal to face value into its place. Face value into its place. What is the face value of 2? Yes, 2. Face value of 2 is 2. And it is in which place? Units, thousands, lakhs period, 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it is in lakhs period and it is in 10 lakhs place. In lakhs period it is in 10 lakhs. So we have to write down 2 into 10 lakhs. 2 tens are how much? 20. So 2 tens are 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs. Write down directly. Now no need to write again. 20 lakh. 2 into 10 lakhs plus 7 into 1 lakh plus 6 into 10,000, like that, no need to write. Now again we are writing, what we are writing? Directly we are writing the answer. Now 2 into 10 lakhs, that is equal to 20 lakhs. 20. Next lower the lakhs period. See how we are placing the periods immediately. Lakhs period, next lower the lakhs period, thousands period, next lower than thousands period, units period. Like that you have to place zeros. So 20 lakhs, next lower than 20. Thousands period, next lower than thousands period, units period. So this many zeros you have to place. Thousands period 2 places, units period 3 places. So 3 zeros we have to put. Okay, 20 lakhs plus sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is its place value, is its expanded form. So sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is known as its expanded form. Now expanded form you got like this. So 20 lakhs plus next lower than 20, 2, 7. 7 is in which place? 1 lakhs place. So 7 we should multiply with its place. 7 is its face value and 1 lakh is its place. Its place. So 7 into 1 lakh gives 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs means 7 we have written in lakhs period. Next lower than lakhs period, thousands period. Next lower than thousands period, units period. Units period has 3 places. So 3 zeros we are writing. See, observe carefully. How we are writing. This is very, very important. Immediately you can write down. So next, 6. 6 is in thousands period and it is in 10,000s place. So place value of 6 is equal to 6 into 10,000. 6 tens are 60,000. Plus, place value of 0. Face value of 0 is 0 into it is in which place? Thousands place. 0 into 1000. 0. 0, if you are multiplying 0 with any number, what you will get? 0 only. So 0 into 1000 is 0. So 0 place value is 0. That means the place value of 0 is always 0. Whether it may be in tens place or it may be in thousands place or it may be crores place or any place. 0 into 1 crore, 0. 0 into 10 lakhs, 0. 0 into 1, 0. So, if the place value of 0 will always be 0 if it may be in any place. Understand? Okay, now. So, next, coming to 3. Place value of 3. 3 into 100, 300. Plus 5 into 10, 50. Plus 4 into 1, 4. Okay, this is the expanded form FUNI number. Now, last and final, we can take one more number and we can write down the expanded form of this number also. Okay, let us see. Now take any digit you can write down. Like this, you can take different kinds of numbers. And for those numbers, 8-digit number you can take, 9-digit number you can take, 7-digit number you can take, write down the number name. Okay, and the same way, write down the numeral in Indian system and international system. Same as expanded form also. You can take any number of digits. It may be a 8-digit number or it may be a 9-digit number. It may be a 6-digit number, whatever it may be. Now we can take a 9-digit number. So 34260 So how many digits? 3, 3, 6 and 8. Okay, one more digit you can take. So this is a 9-digit number. So first divide this given number into a periods. Units period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So Okay, let us see. This number we can write in international system. Okay, now actually we have written, so okay, in both systems you can write. Now first in Indian system, how can you write down the number name? So to write down the number name in Indian system of numeration, so first check. So in Indian system of numeration, you are writing the place values. The place value of each digit. The sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is known as expanded form. Now we are writing the expanded form in both systems. Why? Because here we have written in Indian system of numeration. Next we can write in international system also. The same number we can write in international system also. Place value. Now how to place zeros? So how to divide them into zeros? That is very, very important. Now place value of 3. So units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. And it is in 10 crores place. So 3 into 10 crores, 30 crores. So 30 we have written in crores period. Next lower than crores period, lakhs period, 2 zeros. Next lower than lakhs, thousands period, 2 zeros. Next lower than thousands units period, 3 zeros. Totally 2, 2, 3. So here if you are observing here also you can understand easily. So 30 lakhs and here see 3 after all zeros you should place. How many zeros? 30. Now 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. That is 30 lakhs. Or otherwise like this also. So 30 is in lakhs period, sorry, crores period we have written. Next lower than crores period, lakhs period. Lakhs period also 2 zeros. Next lower than lakhs, thousands, 2 zeros. Next lower than thousands, units. So 3 zeros. Plus, so this is place value of 3. Now place value of 4. 4 is in crores period. So place value of 4. 4 into 1 crore. 4 crores. How can you write 4 crores? 4 after 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. 4 crores or otherwise 4 crores. Next lower than crores period. Lakhs period. Lakhs period places 2. So 2 zeros. Next lower than lakhs. Thousands. Thousands period contains 2 zeros. 2 places. So 2 zeros. Thousands. Next lower than thousands. Units period. Units period has how many places? Yes, 3 places. So how many zeros you should place? 3 zeros. So this is. So 4 crores. So 4 crores రాయాలంటే మీ నెంబర్ నేమ్ లో కూడా ఇట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు ఈజీగా. Understand? So this is the writing in the crores completed. Next place value of 2 plus 2 is in 10 lakhs place. So 2 into 10 lakh 20 lakhs. Write down 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs period రాసేసాం. Next lower than lakhs period, thousands period. Next lower than thousands period, units period. Plus 6. Place value of 6. 6 into 1 lakh. So 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs, thousands, units. 6 lakhs plus 0. Place value of 0 is always 0. Just now we said. So place value of 7 is 7. 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So 7,000. 7 into 1,000, 7,000. Plus 5 into 100, 500. Plus 1 into 10, 10. Plus 4 into 1, 4. So this is the expanded form in Indian system of numeration. So units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So 3 into 10 crores, 30 crores plus 4 into 1 crore, 4 crores plus 2 into 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs plus 6 into 1 lakh, 6 lakhs plus 0 into 10,000. 0 into 10,000, 0. So 0 plus 7 into 1,000, 7,000 plus 5 into 100, 500. 1 into 10, 10 plus 4 into 1, 1. So this way you can find out the expanded form in Indian system. Now the same number we have to write down in international system also. Or otherwise you can take another number. Okay, let us take another number. So to write down take 9 digit number. 576 024 159. So how many digits are there in this number? Units period 3 places, thousands period 3 places, millions period. Why? This is an international system. So we divided each period into 3 places because international system has 3 periods only. Units period, thousands period, millions period. Units period, thousands period, millions period. So each period contains 3 places. Now to write down the expanded form in international system of numeration, here also place value of 5 is equal to expanded form means once again. What is an expanded form? Yes, sum of the place values of each digit of a given number is called its expanded form. Now place value of 5 is in which period? Millions period. And it is in which place? 5 is in millions period and it is in 100 millions place. So 5 into 100, 500 million. So write down 500 millions. How can you write down 500 millions? 500 you have written in millions period. Next lower than millions. Thousands period, 3 places. Next lower than thousands. Units period, 3 places. Plus 7. Place value of 7. 7 into 10 million. 70 millions. Millions. Thousands. Units. Plus 6. 6 is in 1 million's place. So place value of 6 is equal to 6 millions. 6 millions. Next lower than millions. Thousands, 3 digits, 3 places. Next lower than thousands, units. Units will have 3 places, 3 zeros. Plus, next, 0. Place value of 0. Always 0, wherever it may be. It may be in any place. It may be in any place. The place value of 0 is always 0 because face value of 0 is 0. Face value into its place. Face value is what? 0. Face value is 0. 0 and దేనితో మల్టిప్లై చేసినా కూడా మనకి 0 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నాన్న always place value of 0 is 0. It may be in any place. Okay, now again. Now 2. Place value of 2. 2 into it is in which place? 10,000's place. So 2 into 10,000, 20,000 plus 4 into 1,000, 4,000 plus 1 into 100, 100 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 9 into 1, 9. So this is writing the expanded form of any number in any system. We have two systems of numeration, Indian system and international system. So in Indian system you have to write like this. In international system you have to write like this. Just simply by dividing the periods. In Indian system you can write down the Indian expanded form. By dividing the given number into what is this? International system, we can write down the international expanded form. Okay, very easy, very easy. So but you have to concentrate, you have to practice more number of problems by doing like this. So you can take your own number not only from the textbook, not only from your workbook, not only from the worksheet, wherever if the teacher has given you the explanation, after that you can take different kinds of problems like this and you can write down the expanded form, then you will get easily. Okay, now we can take about the short form. How can you write down the short form? Short form can be written in 3 ways. So how can you write down the short form of any number? Now let us see. So $8 million, 7,000 and 60. This is one of the form. This is one of the form to write down the short form, and that is nothing but writing a numeral. Writing a numeral in this one, and in another way also short form can be written like this: 700 millions plus 500 thousands plus 70 as given like this. You have to write down the short form. This is also nothing but by reading the number name easily, numeral you can write down. If you are writing the numeral, you will get the short form. And these two millions, whenever you have saw the millions, we can say this is international system of numeration. Whenever you saw the millions, it is international system of numeration. So 8 millions, 7,000, 8 millions plus 7,000 plus 60 and plus 60 and so this is the number name given. This number name is also, we can read it as expanded form. The expanded form you have to write down short form. Expanded form ki short form. అంటే ఇందాకేమో షార్ట్ ఫామ్కి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ రాసాం, ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్కి షార్ట్ ఫామ్ రాస్తాం. సో ఇది రెండు రకాలుగా ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఇది ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టంలో మనకి వీ కెన్ సీ లైక్ దిస్, బట్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ డౌన్ ద షార్ట్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హౌ కెన్ యూ రైట్ డౌన్ 8 millions he is telling. 8 million. So write down 8 under millions period. So 8, only 8. That means, so it is having only one digit. So you can write down just 8. If you are writing 800, for example, if you are thinking millions period has 3 places. Millions period has 3 places. No need to place 3 zeros or 3 digits there. Why? Because this is the first period we are writing. So you can write 8 enough. Or otherwise, if you are writing 800, it becomes 800. Or if you want to write only 8 in 3 digits, 008 you have to write. Okay? Okay. Now 8 millions. What happened next? How much is given? Plus 7,000 he is telling. 7,000. But thousands period contains how many places? It is in which system? Very good, international system. So in international system, thousands period has 3 places. So we have to write 7 in 3 digits. 7,000 he is telling. 7,000. So the thousands period is thousands period. 7 here given. Only 7 is given. Only 1 digit he has given. So we should write this 1 digit in 3 digits. How can you write 7? 007 we have to write. Or this is 7. If you are writing 070, this is 70. If you are writing 700, this is 700. But what is given us? How many thousands is given for us? 7,000. So 8 million 7,000. So 7,000 means 007. Thousands period 7. Next level than thousands period what? Units period. Units period has how many places here? Units period has and 60 is telling. And 60. How can you write 60? 60 in 3 digits. Units period also contain 3 digits. Each and every period in international system we have 3 places. So units, millions period, thousands period. Next level than thousands period is units period. How much is given in units period? 60. So how can you write 60 in 3 digits? How can you write 60 in 3 digits? 060. Very good. 060. So 060 is 60. Full stop. So this is the షార్ట్ ఫామ్. అంటే బాగా లెంగ్త్గా ఇచ్చిందండి మనం. వీఆర్ బ్రింగింగ్ ఇన్ టు షార్ట్ ఫామ్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్. ఎక్స్పాండ్ మీన్స్ సాగదీయటం. ఎక్స్పాండ్ అంటే బాగా ఒక్కొక్క దాన్ని విడదీసేసి రాయాలి. షార్ట్ ఫామ్ అంటే అంత కుదించి రాయాలి, దగ్గర చేసి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ షార్ట్. Now we can see how can you write down the short form for this in this model. If he is given in this model, how can you write? So what is given here? Units, thousands, millions. 700 millions and 500 thousands. Is there any millions? No millions. So 700 millions. Write down millions period 700. Next order millions. Thousands. How many thousands we have? Only 500,000. So 500,000. And next order thousands units period. Units period should contain 3 places. But how much is given to us? Only 70. How can you write 70 in 3 digits? How can you write 70 in 3 digits? Yes. 070. Yes, that is 070. For example, you can check here another question. Another question you can check. 80 crores, lakhs, thousands, units. 80 crores plus 9 crores అంటే lakhs, thousands, units plus 5 lakhs, thousands, units. 5 lakhs, 30,000 plus 500 plus 4. Now you have to write down the short form for this. To write down the short form for this number, observe carefully everybody. This is in which system of numeration? So this is thousands period has 2 places, so it is a Indian system of numeration. Very good. So in Indian system of numeration, the expanded form is given for us. We have to write down the short form for this. So just you can check. So in Indian system of numeration, greatest period is crores. Next lower than crores, lakhs. Next lower than lakhs, thousands. Next lower than thousands, units. These 4 periods we have in Indian system of numeration: crores, lakhs, thousands, units. Now crores period, 80 crores he has given. 80 crores. So will you write down 80 here? 80 రాసేద్దామా? Is there any crores or not? Just only 80 crores ఉన్నాయి. Only 80 crores place లో ఉందా? ఇంకా crores place లో కూడా ఏమైనా digit ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి. So in 10 crores place we have 80 crores. So 80 crores. And here units, thousands, lakhs, crores. 9 crores also is there. So మరి 80 crores రాసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 9 crores రాసామా? Right. So 80 plus 9 together 89 crores. So here before only you have to check carefully. So that way 89 crores. So 89 crores period completed. Next lower than how many lakhs periods are there? We have 10 lakhs period, 1 lakhs period. So 10 lakhs. Is there any digit in lakhs? Units, thousands, lakhs. 5 lakhs మాత్రమే ఉంది ఇక్కడ. So only 5 lakhs we have. So how can you write 5 lakhs in 2 digits? 5 lakhs in 2 digits. 10 lakhs place nothing is there. No 10 lakhs. So only 1 lakhs place only we have 5. That is 5 lakhs. So write down 5 lakhs in 2 digits. 5 lakhs period. Lakhs period in 2 digits. So 0, 5. Because only we have given 5 lakhs. Next lower than lakhs period. Next lower than lakhs period. Thousands period. Thousands period we have 2 places. 10,000s, 1,000. But here 30,000s only he has given, no thousands and 30,000s means only in 10,000s place we have given number. So in 10,000s place you have to write 3. Next lower than 10,000, 1,000. 1,000s place is there any digit? Any thousands? 1,007 aim level. So we have to write down 0. So 30,000s. Now units period has 3 places. How many? Hundreds, tens, ones. So 500s, no tens. If there is tens place లో ఉందంటే ఏమేమి రావాలన్నా ఇక్కడ 10 కానీ 20 కానీ 30 కానీ 40 కానీ అప్ టు 10 to 90 వరకు ఏదో ఒకటి ఉంటే టెన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నట్టు డిజిట్. టెన్స్ ప్లేస్లో డిజిట్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లేస్ 0. టెన్స్ ప్లేస్లో డిజిట్ యూ షుడ్ ప్లేస్ 0. సో దట్ ఈస్ 500 టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ 0 అండ్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ 4 ones is 4. So 504 full stop. So this is writing in short form. 89 crores 5 lakhs 30,504. This is in this way you can find out the short form for any number in any system. So that is short form. The short form methods ni itla 80 millions like this they can give, or like a numerals they can give, or like the short form also they can give. One more thing we can check for this short form. So short form lo okati inko chuddamo. Just go for this example. Next. In short form, to write down this number in short form. So for example, you can observe carefully here. Seven crores plus 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus, next not the lakhs, thousands. So 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 4. So this is the number here given for us. 7 crores plus 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 6,000 plus 4. Yes, good. Now, what is the greatest period here? Crores period is the greatest period. Crores period means it is Indian system. Remember carefully. If you have got millions, that is international system. But here, whenever you have got in any number, crores period or lakhs period, then we can say, if it is contains crores or lakhs, we can say it as Indian system of numeration. So 7 crores and 90 lakhs is telling. So only crores. Crores, if you are observing, only one given. So what is the 7 crores? 7 crores means? 7 crores means it is in 1 lakhs place, 1 crore place or 10 crores place? Yes, 1 crore. So write down 7 in 1 crore. So 7 crores we have written. There is no another crores place. Okay? Next lower than crores place is lakhs period. Lakhs period we have 2 given here. So 90 lakhs and 6 lakhs. 90 lakhs and 6 lakhs. 90 plus 6 gives 96 lakhs. That means 2 digits has given. So write down 96 under lakhs period. Next one the lakhs, thousands period. Thousands period also should contain 2 places. If he has not given 2 places, we should place 2 digits. How? By adding zeros. By adding zeros, you can write down 2 digits. Now, how many thousands he has given? 40 thousands. Is there any more thousands? Yes, 6 thousands. 40 thousands and 10 thousands place he has given. 1,000 place also given. In 10,000 place what we have? 40. That means 4. 4 tens are 40. So 4 is in thousands, 10,000 place. And 1,000 place 6. Or otherwise directly you can add the thousands periods. Thousands places లో ఉన్న రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసేది. ఇక్కడ crores లో చూస్తే ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి crores we have written 7 crores. Lakhs if you are observing 90 lakhs plus 6 lakhs. So 96 lakhs we have written. In the same way thousands also we have to write 2 digits. So how many thousands here we have? 40,000 and 6,000. 40,000 plus 6,000 gives 46,000. So write down 46 under thousands period. Next more than thousands period what we have? Units period. Units period should contain 3 places. What are the 3? Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds and 500 or 700 or 400, 300 like that you will get. But tens means 90, 70, 40, 20, 10 like that you will get tens place. So how many hundreds we have here? Only 4 he has given. That means there is no hundreds, no tens. So in hundreds place and tens place we should place zeros, and ones place 4 ones are for ones place we have 4. So write down 004. So this is the short form of the given question. Understood? Understood everybody? So like this you can write different questions. Now after knowing the introduction, you can in the worksheets, in your textbook, or in the any another book you can take different types of questions you will get like this. For all those questions you can write down short form in this method. Okay, so bye. Now again comparison, ascending and descending orders are there, that also we can see now. So comparison of number you can see. Okay.